stop. If you're thinking about buying ClaudFable AI, there's something you need to know first. This isn't just another AI chatbot. It's a complete AI business platform powered by ClaudFable, designed to create websites, funnels, apps, videos, images, and digital products from a single command. You log in, type one command, and the AI instantly generates client-ready websites, funnels, videos, images, apps, and more, all in minutes, not weeks. So here's the big question. Is ClaudFable AI really the world's first all-in-one AI business builder, or just another overhyped launch? In this review, I'll show you exactly what ClaudFable AI is, how it works, who it's for, the pros and cons, and whether it's worth buying. Plus, if you decide to pick up ClaudFable AI through my link below this video, you'll also receive my exclusive bonus package worth $599 absolutely free. What is ClaudFable AI? It's an AI platform that creates ready-to-sell digital assets from one simple command. Websites, funnels, apps, videos, images, ebooks, and more. Powered by ClaudFable. Intelligence access to multiple premium AI models: Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, DeepSeek, Kimi. Commercial license included and lifetime access, no monthly fees. Benefits. Why people are interested. All in one. Replace 1,000 a month worth of AI subscriptions. Multiple niches. Serve businesses in fitness, real estate, restaurants, coaching, e-commerce, and more. Commercial license. Sell assets to clients and keep 100% profit. Lifetime access. Pay once, use forever. Inside, ClaudFable AI you're getting full ClaudFable 5 access, Opus, Sonnet, Haiku, and future releases. Website and funnel builder, AI app generator, video and image creation tools, AI song generator plus writing templates, multi-chat AI workspace, all-in-one dashboard, and 30-day money-back guarantee. Honest pros and cons. Now let's talk honestly. Pros. Creates multiple types of assets from one command. Beginner-friendly. No coding or design skills needed. Commercial license included. Lifetime access. No recurring fees. And access to multiple premium AI models. Cons. No guaranteed income. Results depend on how you use the assets. Quality of outputs still benefits from human review, and success requires consistent effort and client acquisition. Results. What to expect. Expect faster delivery of professional marketing assets that businesses already pay for. Freelancers. Sell websites, funnels, videos, and branding kits. Agencies. Scale client deliverables without hiring large teams. Entrepreneurs. Launch digital products and services quickly. The biggest benefit, turning AI into a real business system, not just another chatbot. Now here are my exclusive bonuses if you grab ClaudFable AI through the link below. Bonus 1, AI Business Prompt Pack. Value, $299. 500 plus ready-made prompts for websites, funnels, videos, emails, and social content. Bonus 2, Client Proposal Templates. Value, $300. 20 done-for-you templates to close clients fast. Total bonus value, $599. Yours free when you get ClaudFable AI through my link today. So, is ClaudFable AI worth it? If you want to replace multiple AI subscriptions and start creating professional, sellable assets in minutes, then yes, ClaudFable AI is absolutely worth it. It's not just software, it's a complete AI business builder. Click the first link in the description to secure ClaudFable AI, plus my $599 bonus package today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.